Soletti vacuum compressed bags. I'm Joost and I'm here with the Soletti vacuum compressed bags. See what we get in the bag here. A little instruction on how to do this. A little checklist for your trip. And all of the bags are in the larger bag here. Oh, so this is a pretty large one, so that's nice. This is a large one as well. And you have a little zip up bag with a handle. A little bag with like the tie cords. Small bag right here. Another smaller bag. And then this medium one right here. So let's start using this. So the instructions are pretty clear. Just unzip the double layer zipper. So there are two zippers here. As you can see, this is the under layer, which goes all the way around. It really has a double layer. And then you have the main zipper here to open up, well, the bag here. Let's remove this Soletti logo right here. Okay, so now let's put some clothes in there. I'll do my undershirts, my shirts. So let's get some in there. Another shirt right here. Okay, and now let's zip up this main zipper. So that's fully closed. And then you have this second zipper right here. So it starts from right here, and then that goes all the way through to the end, all the way around. And now this is compressed, like really small and very easy to take with me. You also have a cool carrying handle right here, so you can easily take this with you. It's also pretty nice. The logo is pretty cool, stitched in there, so that's nice. And let's do a smaller one as well. We have the very small one right here. You can open this up like this, so, and this is just a normal like toiletries bag that you get with it. So it's pretty cool, and it's very soft and sturdy, this one, so you can put a lot in here. And then we have a smaller bag right here, also with the Soletti logo, and the same here. You can open it very easily. So now the front is open, and then you have this extra zipper here for the lining. You can open that all the way around. So it really goes all the way through. Let's get some underwear in there. That's in. And I have a few pairs of socks that we can put in here. So that's really topped off right there. Let's see if they'll still close. You also have two zippers. So one here and one on this side. So you can also pull that down all the way to the middle. So I always like my bags to have two of these zippers. And as you can see, there's the lining here, which is pretty high right now. So this is what normal packing would look like. Let's close the zipper all the way. And then the air will be pushed out and it will be compressed. So let's zip that up. You can already see it's getting a lot smaller here. So I didn't think it was going to fit, but all of the socks and underwear are in there, and that's pretty compressed. So that's pretty cool as well. Then we have a few of these larger bags in there, which is also nice to have. Like a baggie right here with a lot of space. So this one, and then two larger ones. You can fit in a lot of clothes in these. So this is pretty cool, and I really recommend the Soletti vacuum pressed bags for your travels. I can take a lot more with me in my carry-on suitcase, and I'm really going to enjoy these.
These are the NicoShow compression packing cubes. They're made from nylon, which is water resistant, and there's also meshing on the front. There are 7 pieces, and I'm opening the largest one here. This first one is a laundry bag. It's nice for when you're traveling. You can put your dirty clothes in here so you can separate them from your clean ones. There's also a drawstring so you can close up the bag. Next is the underwear packing cube. You can put your bras, underwear, and socks in here. There are 3 layers. This first layer has a clear holder. You can put underwear or socks in here. This next layer, you can put bras, and you can also stick some underwear or socks in the little holders. Lastly, there's this third layer, which doesn't have any holders. It's just flat. This is the smallest packing cube, and then there's this medium one. This is the shoes bag. It can fit a pair of sneakers up to size 12. When you open it, you can expand it. The last piece is a cable organizer. It can hold up to 8 USB lightning cables. I like that it has these different compartments so you're able to organize your cables and not have them tangled up. Now back to the large cube, I'm unzipping it further to expand it. Once expanded, it looks like this. I think the best way is to roll up your clothes, but here I'm just going to show an example by using a puffy jacket. Once you put your clothes in, you zip up the top first. Then you zip up the bottom to compress it. I think the compression is decent. I like having these packing cubes to stay organized for when I travel. Overall, they're great.